Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually, one by one, just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove all of them, because in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So let's tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, we just go back to the history, which is right now empty, and it means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.